Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and OMG, y'all, we have another fantastic run deal to talk about. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and turn on your notifications. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals like this one right here. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, now first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded a couple of other DG videos for you all this week. We have tons of new clearance markdowns. We have hundreds of penny items. Plus, we still have the Dollar General clearance event going on, but that does end today. So make sure that you go and check out those videos. If you haven't already, they're going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, I also want to remind you guys that the deals are in the details, so please do not skip through the videos. I know that I put a lot of information on the slides and in the pictures, but you can miss out on some very important information that can make or break your deals. So please don't skip through the videos. Watch them all the way through. That way you'll have all of the information that you need. Now, also, for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time because they're simply just that. They are a glitch in the system. So it is very important when you're in the store to scan each and every item with your Dollar General app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also, you want to scan each item to price check because prices can vary from store to store. And I also want to give a huge shout out and thank you to our amazing longtime crazy couponer, Deborah Williams-Buss. We were chatting this morning and she helped me find this deal. So huge shout out and thank you to her. Now let's go ahead and talk about the details. Alright guys, now I'm going to be honest with you all and say I'm not quite sure what's going on. But this is definitely a glitch deal because I cannot figure out and pinpoint exactly what's going on. But anyways, I want to make you guys aware of a couple of things. Number one, again, we have the clearance event going on right now. So we have a lot of stuff that is 50% off of their regular clearance price. All right, now that clearance event does end today on Monday. Now, another thing that we have going on this week, we have a buy one, get one half off sale on the Red Dot drinkware, bedding, and home decor items. And this sale will not end until Saturday. So, I want you guys to keep those two things in mind when we're talking about these products. First up, we have the Comfort Bay shower curtain liners. These are the clear liners. These are normally $6. Right now, they are down to $3, so they are 50% off. Now again, I want to make myself very clear that I'm not sure why these items are 50% off. I'm not sure if they are a part of the clearance event, which means that they will go back up to their regular price of $6 tomorrow, or this could just be their clearanced price. So this deal could last all week long. We will not know until tomorrow, and I will make a post about it in the community tab, as well as update the pinned comment down below this video. So if you're watching this video on Tuesday or later on in the week, make sure that you check out the pinned comment. Now, not only are these items 50% off, which is a great deal, but they are also following this buy one, get one half off sale on the Red Dot drinkware, bedding, and home decor items. So if you go out and you pick up two at 50% off on sale, buy one, get one half off, that's going to put you at $4.50, making those shower curtains just $2.25 each. Now, we have a second product that is also doing the exact same thing. We have these super value multi-purpose everyday washcloth sets, 18 count. These are normally $5 each, but right now they're 50% off at $2.50. Now, as you guys can see, we have tons of colors included. And I know that people are going to be asking for the UPCs. I'm going to leave those in the pinned comment down below. So make sure that you check the pinned comment. Now, also, once you are in the store, you want to scan the item, make sure that it comes up the correct price, and make sure that that sale, buy one, get one half off, is showing up underneath the product. So, if you pick up two of these at 50% off, plus the buy one, get one 50% off sale, that's going to put you at $3.75, making each pack just $1.87 each. So $3.75 for 36 washcloths. Yes, please. Your girl's going to be running out to the DG right now. And I hope that you guys can run out and get in on this deal as well. Now, I want you all to remember that there may be more items like this out there. So when you're in the store, if you have a few extra minutes, make sure that you scan, scan, scan. Don't forget that we do have some hidden purple dot washcloths as well as shower curtains, so scan those and see if you can find any of those purple dot items. Those are still sitting at 95% off during this clearance event, so those are a fantastic deal, and they're going to penny out on Tuesday, so an even better deal on Tuesday. Alright guys, so that is going to be it for me for now, but y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned because you know your girl has more deals coming at you. So, before you go, don't forget to subscribe, turn on those notifications, that way you don't miss out on any awesome deals like this one right here. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.